Hello everybody, today we have general revision on grammar, unit 2 grammar by me, Mr. Yasser. We have in unit 2 grammar, we have a present perfect active, and the form of a present perfect active is have or has plus past participle. تكوين المضارع التام في المعلوم have or has plus past participle تصريف ثالث. We have an example here. He has just bought a new car. Has and bought, has and past participle of buy, bought, present perfect. And for present perfect passive, we use have or has been or been plus past participle. For example, the new car had just been bought by him. So we have here has and been and bought. Has been bought, present perfect passive. Examples of present perfect for something that happened a short time ago. My car has broken down. That's why I have to go to work by bus. So a short time ago, my car broke down. I've done or I have done this job for many years. For something that happened in the past and is still happening now, we use present perfect. So have and the past participle of do, done, have done the job. And before is a word that refers to the present perfect. For من الكلمات اللي بتدل على present perfect مضارع تام. Means I still do this job. لسه بشتغل في الشغلانة ديت دلوقتي. I've or I have already done the job. Means I did the job, for example, 2 hours ago. So already a word refers to the present perfect, have or has plus past participle. Time adverbs with the present perfect tense في عندي كلمات أو أظرف زمنية بنستخدمها مع ال present perfect like we have already, just, ever, never, yet, since, for, lately, recently, so far, up till now, in my life. We have some expressions that we use present perfect with them. بعض التعبيرات اللي بنستخدم معاها مضارع تام. For example, it's or this is the first or second time. It's or this is the only. In the last few years, months, or days. In recent years, over the ages, over the years, over the centuries. And for example, it's the first time and I have been to this place. So the tense here, have and been or been, present perfect. This is the only museum that has been visited. This is the only refers to present perfect, and here I have has been or been and past participle present perfect passive. If before comes at the end of a sentence, I use a present perfect. So present perfect with before at the end of the sentence. For example, I am sure I haven't seen this man before. So before at the end of the sentence, that's why I use present perfect here. Haven't seen. Superlative adjective plus ever plus present perfect. Example, this is the most beautiful building. This is a superlative adjective, most beautiful. And I have ever seen, ever between have and seen, present perfect. مضارع تام وبنستخدم بينهم ever. have or has, and past participle, and in the middle I can use ever, never, just, or already. Example: I have just written the letter. I have just written the letter. لسه كاتب الليتر منذ قليل. Have or has and past participle and at the end already. So already can come at the end of a sentence. ممكن نستخدمها في نهاية الجملة مع ال present perfect المضارع التام. 20 million people have seen the film already. So already at the end, and in the middle the tense is present perfect. Have plus past participle have seen. Have or has been to means went and came. الشخص اللي راح لمكان ورجع استخدم معاه have or has been to. She's been to India on holidays 3 times. She has been to India on holiday 3 times. Means she went and came and now she's here. Okay. Have or has gone to means didn't come back. شخص ذهب ولم يعود. Example: she's gone means she has gone to Moscow. She will be back next week. ذهبت لموسكو، لسه طبعا هي هناك، هي هترجع امتى؟ next week، الأسبوع القادم. Never with negative and ever with a question. No, I have never traveled by plane. So no negative and never negative. Have you ever traveled by plane? This is a question, and with a question we use ever. For with period of time. Examples: for a week, the last week, a year, 5 hours, 3 months, 2 days, a long time. Example: I haven't cleaned the house for a week. Present perfect and then for a week. Since specific time، وقت محدد بستخدم معاه since منذ. Since last week. So last week since, the last week for. Okay. Since last summer 1999, 5 o'clock October, this morning, yesterday, then Monday, breakfast. Okay. Present perfect can come with in or for and then a period of time. مع فترة من الزمن ممكن استخدم معها in أو for مع ال present perfect مع المضارع التام. I haven't seen him in 5 years or for 5 years. Haven't seen present perfect, and then with 5 years I can use in 5 years or for 5 years. Present perfect plus since and past simple. I can use since to join 2 sentences, the first present perfect and the second past simple. since بستخدمها لربط بين جملتين، الأولى في المضارع التام have or has هو past participle، and second past simple تصريف تاني للفعل في الأكتف or was or were past participle في الباسف. Example: I haven't seen her since she graduated. Haven't seen her since she graduated. Before since, haven't seen present perfect, and after since, graduated past simple of graduate. It's or it's been plus period of time, and then since subject last past simple. Be careful that after since here I use past simple, second for in the active was were past participle in the passive. خلي بالنا في التركيبة ديت بيجي بعد since past simple اللي هو تصريف تاني في المعلوم was were past participle في المجهول. Example: he hasn't visited his uncle for a long time. ده معناه it's a long time since he last visited his uncle. Last past simple visited his uncle. We have some exercises here. Please be careful, and I'll give you some time to think before I get you the correct answer. Something is wrong with his car, so he headed to the garage. Has broken, has been taken, has taken, sorry, has been taken, was taken, and is being taken. The correct time, correct answer, present perfect, has taken. 2. The injured woman is paced to hospital. Takes, has taken, will take, has been taken. The injured woman is paced to hospital. Has been taken. I space reading novels since I was a young child. I'm enjoying, enjoy, had to enjoy. I'm enjoying reading novels since I was a young child. I think it should be enjoy. Okay, so the correct answer is B. I enjoy reading novels since I was a young child. I have chosen. I have enjoyed reading novels since I was a young child. From the beginning until now, so I use the present perfect, so have enjoyed. Okay. I space my own computer for 3 years now. Have had, had, have to have, I'm having. Have had, present perfect. 4. All the students in my class spaced the exam already. Have passed. How long spaced Mr. Ahmed? For 10 years. How long have you known Mr. Ahmed? She pays the price yet. She hasn't received the prize yet. My phone very well since I dropped it last week. Hasn't worked. I am sorry, I really busy recently. Have been. The little children's clothes space dirty because they had been playing in the park all day. Or have been being where. This author space several books, but I haven't seen any of them in the shops. Writes, has written, was writing, writing. Has written. Have you finished this exercise? Space. Yes, I finished it. My brother space his university exams. That's why he looks so happy. Had just passed. Had just been passing. Had just been passed. Is just passing. That house on the corner space empty for 3 years. Has been, had been, is, was. I feel really tired. I still space from fever. Didn't recover. Haven't recovered. Wasn't recovered. Don't recover. Haven't recovered. Sorry. I space the film, so don't spoil it for me by telling me what happens. Don't see, hadn't seen, haven't seen, wasn't seeing. I space my watch so I don't know what time it is. Have a broken, broke, had a broken, have been breaking. Have a broken. That's the first time I space you get angry. So was seen, have been seeing, have seen. Have seen. As soon as I'd finished my story, I know at the next one. Started. Would start. Was starting. Will start. Would start is the correct answer. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed my video, and goodbye.